Cooking with kush, no need to push, no rush to cook, we just burning a bush. Cooking with kush, ayy, catch a vibe. Cooking with kush, ayy, stay high. Cooking with kush, no need to push, no rush to cook, we just burning a bush. Cooking with kush, ayy, stay high. Cooking with kush, ayy, catch a vibe.
Hey everybody! Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Kush, and this time you're in our kitchen. So you're home with us. Again, this is my daughter.
Hey.
She's home for the holidays. We have on our matching PJs. Wake me up for presents. So we have a couple ingredients, and today we'll be infusing our apple fritters with canna-sugar. I'll be putting that recipe in another video, and also with infused butter that we infuse in the auto machine. So first we need to mix up the dry ingredients, then we will mix up the wet ingredients, mix them all together with the apples, put them in the air fryer. All of the recipes that we're doing for this Christmas season, easy air fryer infused recipes. So let's get started. First one of our ingredients is a whole cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of canna-sugar. We have 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Our wet ingredients is a 1/3 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of infused butter, 1 egg mixed, half a teaspoon of lemon juice. So now we have the dry and the wet, we're gonna mix them together. We also gotta add in 2 cups of diced apples. I love green apples because they have a better flavor. All right, so after you mix it up, you should have a mixture that looks like this. You're gonna put this in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. So now we're gonna do our sugar cinnamon glaze that's going to go on top. We need to start off with a half a cup of confectioner's sugar, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of milk. That's going to make a beautiful glaze. Mix it up. So your mixture should look like this. That's your glaze. So while we wait for our mixture to cool in the refrigerator, I started to preheat my oven. My air fryer is being preheated for 370 degrees. When it's ready, we'll put the fritters in, and they'll be in there for 6 to 7 minutes. Easy schmeezy. We'll be back. So we got our mixture out, and we're gonna scoop scoops in our air fryer. First, what we're going to do, we'll put parchment paper down on the bottom. And scoop nice little ice cream scoops in there about 1 inch apart. I have a 7-quart air fryer, so I can get a couple of them in there. Let's see how many we can get in there with these scoops. So we're about to put them in for 7 minutes, 370. And we'll wait. So we took our apple fritters out. Don't they look delicious? Aren't they pretty? And now I'm gonna drizzle them with our glaze. A spoonful on each one will be more than enough. And this recipe gives you the perfect amount of glaze, so you're not wasting any. It's all gone. And these are our apple fritters. So until next time, later, and stay lifted. Peace.
Cooking with kush, no need to push, no rush to cook, we just burning a bush. Cooking with kush, ayy, catch a vibe.